Wide variety of use. For everyday use. Not dishwasher safe. Come apart for easy cleaning. Everyday kitchen use. The come-apart kitchen shears are a key essential in the kitchen. Two-piece construction to easily wash and dry. Top reviews from the United States. Have had them for about 20 years, still love them. I use my Wustof scissors for about everything. I find them very useful, and being able to take them apart certainly makes it easy to clean up. Recently I purchased a second pair. They are great in the kitchen. Again, I mentioned the ease of cleaning them after using them. When I've cut up a chicken, those scissors certainly come in very handy, and did I mention easy, peasy to take apart and clean. Their cost is reasonable and the product is excellent.